What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you my updated Hot Wheels room tour. Done a lot of work last week or so, and just want to show you guys how the room's coming along. So we'll start off with some of our sets that I've acquired. So we got the Fast and Furious set. Sorry about that glare. Here's the black and gold 50th anniversary set with the Chase Camaro. Then we've got the Target throwback, and you'll notice missing one. The 83 Chevy Silverado is eluding me, and I'm not going to pay $10 for it on eBay. So there's one Target, it's about an hour away from here. So I keep checking every chance I get, but not looking good. Here we got the shop truck set and the Camaro set and the Ford truck set and the Mopar set. Get the start of the Honda set. Those are the only three I've found so far. Then we've got the 50th anniversary favorites. The first five. I haven't seen any of the rest of the next five. And just picked up the rest of the Team Transport. Got all 6 of those. Here's a couple of the cargo carriers. And some of the Forza. And then the Red Lions are missing the green Cuda, so I've got a peg there waiting for him. And here's just a couple Matchbox that I didn't have anywhere else to put. And I've got on the next wall, you got the Fantasia car along with the Mickey Mouse set. And I've got 4 of the Looney Tunes. I'm missing Marvin the Martian and Wile E. Coyote, I think. And I've got this Monster Jam Bone Busters. So I'm not really into the Monster Jams. I just thought these were really cool because they're all like skeleton-y. And I picked up a Gravedigger just so I'd have an even number in case I wanted to do a race with them. Here is 4 of the 6 from this older Spider-Man set. I'm missing the 2. These are the 4 villain cars. The other 2 are Spider-Man cars. And then I've got the most recent Marvel set. There's an old Batman. And the Jetsons car. This is one I got in a good deal from my friend Steve. Cool Phaeton. And down here we've got my regular treasure hunts. It's the new one right there from the new A-Case. Oh, and I've also got a upside down error that I found. Moving on, these are just some older ones that I found in the package. Some were from eBay, some at like indoor flea markets. We got 3 of these Dub Cities, a couple metal machines, and a really cool Diora. So one other thing I've done, all these cars on the wall here used to just be all thrown up there randomly. Me and the Queen raced about 800 cars last weekend and got rid of, basically we took all the winners, and that is what is on the top shelf all the way down. And the second from the top shelf to here So all those have been raced and won. So basically, I wanted to organize my cars, but I wanted to race them before I organize them. So that opened up some room. So now I've got, starting on this third shelf, everything is somewhat organized. Got mostly foreign cars up here. Some Beamers. Datsuns. Oh, those are Mercedes. Jaguars, I think. There's the Frogster. V-Dubs. Whole bunch of Morris Minis. There's a Celine. Land Rovers, some Jeeps. Scions and Saturns. These are Pontiacs. And then we got Fords up here. Here's all the Mopar stuff. Couple trucks. These are Studebakers. More trucks. There's some Mazdas. Toyotas. And we've got some of the tuned Hummers. Antique cars and trucks. Some modern trucks. El Caminos. More classic cars there. There's a Gasser. Isuzus, Hummers. Some, those are Lincolns, I think. Cadillacs. Food trucks. Police cars, taxi cabs, buses, box trucks, some tunes, and hard-nosed, I think they're called. And then I've also installed a remote starter system. And if you haven't checked out the Star Wars Star Trek race, make sure to do that. It was pretty fun. So the starter I've got about halfway down, hooked to this ring so I can do races by myself and film them if I need to. And track side, we've got that 9-pack, Nightmare Before Christmas set. This is a new 10-pack that I got for my birthday. It's got that awesome Gasser. We've got the red, white, and blue Hot Wheels set. King of the Hill. Some car washes, transport, so on. Over here, got all my main lines that are still carded. Turn this lamp. Nitro Boy. And then up here, we've got, these are all 2019 from the A case I just got. And we've got nails for more, ready to go. And these are all extras from that case. This little wall, we've got some 5-packs and 3-packs. And then over here, I just started buying these Plano cases. So these are be for like my favorite cars. Those are all Lamborghinis, Corvettes, Camaros, Porsches, got 4 GTs, and McLarens, Ferraris, Lotuses. There's our Mustangs and Vipers. So I really like these cases. I think it looks awesome, especially, you know, I've got a lot of room to expand. So it's just a matter of saving up and getting more of those cases. They're like $7.50 a piece. So if I could just get, you know, a few every month or whatever and slowly build them up. And maybe eventually they will replace these on this whole wall, but that will probably take some time.
And money.
And money. So yeah, next tournament we will be using these cars from the top row here. And this one I want to get all these raced and organized. And then once those are all done, we'll start cracking those open. Oh, also, down below, these are all the fantasy cars that have been raced in alphabetized boxes.
Such as the work framework. My favorite car.
A lot of extra stuff, some play sets, some mostly junkier cars down here, and some cases. But that's pretty much it. So we'll see you at the next race. Thanks for watching. Later.